Hello. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Welcome to sa ating channel. At bago tayo magpatuloy, pakihingi na isang like and subscribe. At huwag kalimutang pindutin ang notification bell para lagi tayong updated sa mga bagong upload natin. Okay, so our topic is about metric system to metric system conversion. Okay, so example tayo, number 1. So yung units of length natin is, example, convert 7.25 meters to centimeters. Okay, so dalawang solution yung gagawin natin. Yung first is using conversion factor or unit fraction. Okay, so yung conversion factor meters to centimeters. So 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Yung 1 meter yan. Equal niya is 100 centimeter. Sa unit fraction, in 1 centimeter, this is over 100 cm, or pwedeng balik rin natin 100 cm over 1 m or 1 meter. So, depende na lang sa conversion factor. So, solution natin dito, okay? So, from 7.25 meter, so meaning to say, multiply natin yan sa ating unit fraction na 100 cm over 1 meter. Kasi ano yung original measurement, yun dapat ang ilagay natin sa denominator. Okay? So, cancel natin yung meter. Then, multiply natin yung 7.25 sa 100. So, that is equal to 725 centimeter. Okay? Yung 7.25 multiply sa 100, that is 725 centimeters. So, hindi na siya meter. Na-cancel na yan. Okay? So, another solution, yung method number 2, by moving the decimal point. So, kilometer, it's m, dam, md, mcm, or mm, or millimeter. So, ang gagawin natin dito, we have to move ilang place ba yan? Meter to centimeter. So, 2 places going to the right. So, from meter to centimeter, so 2 places, 1, 2. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, i-move natin siya 2 units to the right. So, from the decimal point. So, yung 7.25, i-move natin siya 2 places pa right siya. So, 1, 2. So, that is equal to 725 centimeter na yung unit. Okay? So, yan ang pangalawang solution. Okay, example number 2, unit of mass or weight. So, convert 4,800 grams to kilograms. Okay, ang method number 1, using conversion factor or unit fraction. So, ang conversion factor natin, so that is 1 kilogram, that is equivalent or equal to 1,000 grams. So, ang unit fraction, so, ang denominator natin dito, dapat dapat ang original na measurement, yung grams. Okay? Una, 1 kilogram over 1,000 grams. Okay? So, yun ang dapat ang denominator. So, solution, 4,800 grams. Okay, multiply natin sa 1 kilogram over 1,000 grams. Again, kung ano yung original measurement, okay, yun dapat ang ilagay natin sa denominator, yung 1,000 gram. Kasi gram yung 4,800, di ba? Okay? So, equals 4.8. Sabihin, i-cancel natin yung grams. Okay? Then, multiply natin si 4,800. So, 1 kilogram. So, ang naiwan, and that is 4,800 kilogram. Divide natin by 1,000. So, that is 4.8 kilogram. Okay? So, magamit tayo ng decimal point or moving the decimal point. Okay? So, from gram to kilogram. So, pa-left naman yan. Ito yung gram. So, 3 places, 1, 2, 3. Okay? Tatlong place yan. From gram to kilogram. So, 3 units to the left. Okay? So, ang original natin, na i-convert is 4,800. Okay? Grams, gawin natin kilogram. So, ang decimal niya nasa right side. So, 3 places to the left. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, lagyan natin ng decimal point. So, that is equal to 4.8 kilogram. Okay, another example. Number 3. So, units of volume. So, convert 2.25 liters to milliliters. Okay, yung method number 1 natin dito, okay, using conversion factor or unit fraction. Okay? So, ang 1 liter, that is equivalent to 1,000 milliliters. Okay? Or ml. So, ang unit fraction, simple, kung ano yung denominator, yun ang, kung ano yung original na conversion or original na measurement, yun ang ilagay natin sa denominator. Okay? So, since liter yan, ilagay natin sa denominator yung liter. So, 1,000 ml is equivalent to 1 liter. Okay? So, 2.25 liter, multiply natin yan sa 1,000 ml divided by 1 L or liter. So, equals, or cancel natin yung L. So, 2.25 multiplied by 1,000, so that is 2,250 ml. Okay, so kung gagamit naman tayo ng moving decimal or moving decimal point, yung method number 2, okay, so from liter patungong milliliter or ml, so 3 places pa right. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, karon ang solusyon nato from 2.25 liter, gawin nating ml yan, so pa-right naman tayo, 3 places. 1, 2, 3. So, dagdag tayo ng 0. Okay? So, final answer is 2,250 liter. Okay? So, yan lang po yung topic natin. Maraming salamat sa panonood at pakikinig. At again, sa hindi pa nakasubscribe, paki-subscribe na lang at huwag kalimutang pindutin ang notification bell para lagi tayong updated sa mga bagong upload natin. Okay, at paki-follow na rin sa ating Facebook page, Sir Ariel Mac Review. Maraming salamat and God bless. Bye-bye.